Hi everyone, I'm Tom.
And I'm Anna.
Today we'll practice talking about a day in our daily life.
Yes, we'll share what we do in the morning, afternoon, and evening.
We'll also repeat some words so it's easier to remember.
And we'll laugh a lot too.
Exactly. Let's get started. Hi Anna, how was your morning today?
Hi Tom, my morning was busy. I woke up at 6:30, brushed my teeth, washed my face, and then made some toast with eggs. After that, I had a quick cup of coffee before leaving for work.
So you woke up, brushed your teeth, washed your face, made toast with eggs, and had coffee. That's like a full checklist already.
Yes, but sometimes I skip breakfast.
Skip breakfast? No way, that's dangerous. Breakfast is the fuel, Anna.
Okay, but my bed is too soft and warm. I can't get up.
Ah, so your bed is the criminal. Guilty bed, stealing your breakfast.
Exactly. Send the bed to jail.
What about lunchtime? Did you eat at home or outside?
I ate outside with my coworkers. We went to a small restaurant near the office. I had chicken rice, salad, and orange juice.
So chicken rice, salad, and orange juice. Healthy Anna today.
Yes, but sometimes I want pizza or fried chicken.
Careful. If you eat too much pizza, you'll dream of cheese at night, Anna.
Imagine me running in a pizza world.
With orange juice rivers and chicken rice mountains.
Stop, you're making me hungry again.
So, what did you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I worked on some reports, answered emails, and joined a meeting with my boss.
Reports, emails, and a meeting. That's a classic office afternoon.
Yes, but the meeting was too long, almost 1 hour.
1 hour? That's not a meeting, that's a full Netflix episode.
Yes, but no popcorn, only coffee.
Next time, bring popcorn and sell tickets to your coworkers. Ha ha!
I'd be rich then.
What about your evening? Did you do anything fun?
Yes, I went jogging in the park. After jogging, I cooked pasta with vegetables. Then I watched a funny TV show before bed.
Jogging, cooking pasta, and watching TV. That's a relaxing evening.
Yes, jogging helps me relax after work.
And pasta is great, but too much pasta means more jogging tomorrow, Anna.
I know, that's why I run longer when I eat pasta. Okay, Tom, what about your morning?
My morning? I woke up at 7, took a shower, and had a big breakfast. Bread, eggs, and milk. Then I rode my motorbike to work.
So you woke up, showered, ate bread, eggs, and milk, and then rode your motorbike. Very energetic.
Yeah, but I was almost late because I spent 10 minutes just looking at my phone in bed.
Guilty phone this time, not the bed.
Exactly. My phone stole my time.
And what did you eat for lunch?
I had noodles with beef, some vegetables, and an iced tea.
Noodles with beef, vegetables, and iced tea. Sounds delicious.
Yes, but the iced tea was too sweet. I think I had sugar for lunch. Haha.
Sugar lunch. No wonder you look energetic.
Yeah, I was jumping in the office like a rabbit.
I can imagine that. So what did you do in the afternoon?
I had to finish a project report, make some phone calls, and then I joined a small team meeting.
Reports, phone calls, and a team meeting. Not too bad.
Yes, the meeting was short, only 15 minutes.
Wow, lucky you. My meeting was 1 hour.
Maybe my boss was hungry, so he finished fast.
That's a smart boss. And your evening, Tom?
In the evening, I went to the gym. I lifted weights, did some running, and then went home to cook fried rice. After that, I watched a movie before going to bed.
Gym, lifting weights, running, cooking fried rice, and watching a movie. That's a strong evening.
Yes, but I almost burned the rice because I was watching my phone.
So today, your phone is guilty twice.
Exactly. My phone should go to prison with your bed.
Perfect. They can share a cell.
So, Anna, let's summarize. Your day: wake up, brush teeth, wash face, have toast and coffee, lunch with chicken rice, salad, and orange juice, work with reports, emails, long meeting, then jogging, pasta, and TV.
Yes, and your day: wake up, shower, breakfast with bread, eggs, and milk, then noodles with beef and iced tea, finish report, short meeting, gym, fried rice, and movie.
Wow, both of us had full days.
Yes, and a lot of food.
True. Food is always the best part.
Yes, 100%.
That was fun. We practiced daily routine vocabulary and repeated key words.
Yes, and we laughed a lot.
Remember, repeat words to remember them better.
And don't let your bed or phone steal your time. Haha.
Good advice. See you next time, Anna.
See you, Tom. Bye.